What is your name? What is your name?
Ki jan ou rele?
My name is Ronald. My name is Ronald.
Mwen rele Ronald.
How old are you? How old are you?
Ki l'aj ou genyen?
I am 25 years old. I am 25 years old.
Mwen gen 25 an.
Where do you live? Where do you live?
Kote ou habite?
I live in Florida. I live in Florida.
Mwen habite Florida.
What is your favorite color? What is your favorite color?
Ki koule ou pi reme?
My favorite color is blue. My favorite color is blue.
Koule mwen pi reme se ble.
Do you have any pets? Do you have any pets?
Eske ou gen yon animal domestik?
Yes, I have a dog. Yes, I have a dog.
Oui, mwen gen yon chen.
What is your favorite food? What is your favorite food?
Ki manje ou pi reme?
My favorite food is pizza. My favorite food is pizza.
Manje mwen pi reme se pizza.
Do you like music? Do you like music?
Eske ou reme mizik?
Yes, I like music. Yes, I like music.
Oui, mwen reme mizik.
Can you swim? Can you swim?
Eske ou ka nage?
Yes, I can swim. Yes, I can swim.
Oui, mwen ka nage.
Do you play sports? Do you play sports?
Eske ou kon jwe esport?
No, I don't play sports. No, I don't play sports.
Non, mwen pa jwe esport.
What is your favorite season? What is your favorite season?
Ki sezon ou pi reme?
My favorite season is summer. My favorite season is summer.
Sezon mwen pi reme se ete.
What time do you wake up? What time do you wake up?
A ki le ou leve?
I wake up at 7 a.m. I wake up at 7 a.m.
Mwen leve a 7 am.
Do you have brothers or sisters? Do you have brothers or sisters?
Eske ou gen frè ou swa se?
Yes, I have 2 brothers and 1 sister. Yes, I have 2 brothers and 1 sister.
Oui, mwen gen 2 frè ak yon se.
What is your favorite movie? What is your favorite movie?
Ki film ou pi reme?
My favorite movie is Inception. My favorite movie is Inception.
Film mwen pi reme se Inception.
Do you like to read? Do you like to read?
Eske ou reme li?
Yes, I like to read. Yes, I like to read.
Oui, mwen reme li.
What is your favorite animal? What is your favorite animal?
Ki animal ou pi reme?
My favorite animal is a dog. My favorite animal is a dog.
Bet mwen pi reme se yon chien.
Can you ride a bike? Can you ride a bike?
Eske ou ka monte bisiklet?
Yes, I can ride a bike. Yes, I can ride a bike.
Oui, mwen ka monte bisiklet.
What do you do? What do you do?
Ki sa ou fe?
I am a student. I am a student.
Mwen se yon etidyan.
What is your favorite subject in school? What is your favorite subject in school?
Ki matye ou pi reme l'ekol?
My favorite subject in school is math. My favorite subject in school is math.
Matye mwen pi reme nan l'ekol se matematik.
Do you like to travel? Do you like to travel?
Eske ou reme voyaje?
Yes, I like to travel. Yes, I like to travel.
Oui, mwen reme voyaje.
What is your favorite drink? What is your favorite drink?
Ki boason ou pi reme?
My favorite drink is lemonade. My favorite drink is lemonade.
Boason mwen pi reme se limonade.
Can you cook? Can you cook?
Eske ou ka kuit manje?
Yes, I can cook. Yes, I can cook.
Oui, mwen ka kuit manje.
Do you like video games? Do you like video games?
Eske ou reme jwet video?
Yes, I like video games. Yes, I like video games.
Oui, mwen reme jwet video.
What is your favorite fruit? What is your favorite fruit?
Ki fri ou pi reme?
My favorite fruit is mango. My favorite fruit is mango.
Fri mwen pi reme se mango.
Can you drive a car? Can you drive a car?
Eske ou ka kondui machin?
Yes, I can drive a car. Yes, I can drive a car.
Oui, mwen ka kondui machin.
What time do you go to bed? What time do you go to bed?
A ki le ou al domi?
I go to bed at 11 p.m. I go to bed at 11 p.m.
Mwen al domi a 11 p.m.
Do you have a best friend? Do you have a best friend?
Eske ou gen yon pi bon zami?
Yes, I have a best friend. Yes, I have a best friend.
Oui, mwen gen yon pi bon zami.
What is your favorite hobby? What is your favorite hobby?
Ki pasyon ou pi reme?
My favorite hobby is playing guitar. My favorite hobby is playing guitar.
Pasyon mwen pi reme se jwe gita.
Do you like coffee or tea? Do you like coffee or tea?
Eske ou reme kafe ou swate?
I like coffee. I like coffee.
Mwen reme kafe.
What is your favorite day of the week? What is your favorite day of the week?
Ki jou nan semen nan ou pi reme?
My favorite day of the week is Saturday. My favorite day of the week is Saturday.
Jou mwen pi reme nan semen nan se samdi.
Do you like to dance? Do you like to dance?
Eske ou reme danse?
Yes, I like to dance. Yes, I like to dance.
Oui, mwen reme danse.